Okay. Hi friends, in last video, part 1 of Archegen, we finished from 1 to 180 questions. In this video, part 2, we'll finish from 181 to 377 question. With this, Archegen all engineering mechanics questions will finish. And already I uploaded RS Kurme also in 2 parts, all engineering mechanics questions. So in these 4 videos, all RS Kurme and Archegen questions will finish. In the 5th video, I will upload all IES questions and the gate questions, which is simply direct questions. Those things only they will ask in the PSU and the RRBJ and these type of exams. So normal competitive exam they will ask so direct questions. So those questions also I will upload. So now we'll see 181 question. Okay. So 181 question, in the problem 180 the force P should be. So this one if you solve horizontal reaction and vertical reaction, then how much you get? 181 is how much you get? 181 is, that is C. 181 is C. Okay. Then next 182. In the problem 180, if the angle of friction is 30 degrees, then the force P would be, how much they are asking. So pi is equal to 30 degrees, then what is the force P? 182 is B. So how much? It is 250 kg. Next, a uniform bar of AB of weight 100 kg is hinged at A to a vertical wall and held in the horizontal position by a cord BC, as shown in the figure. The tension in the cord BC will be. So this problem you can solve by which theorem? Lami's theorem, so that you can get the answer. Okay. So how much this answer? 183 is D. 183 is D. 184. In the above problem, the reaction on bar of the hinge at A will be. So at hinge at A, what is the reaction they are asking? So they are asking at here what is the reaction. So 184 is A, that is 100 kg. Okay, just remember these answers, memorize the answer. They will copy same question. In the given figure shows a bar of AB resting against a smooth surface at A and B. The reaction at B will be in the direction. So they are asking the reaction at B will be in the direction of. So 185 is D. So this is the answer. Inclined in a line joining point B and the point where both R and W meet. So here, okay. So this is the reaction, like this they are showing. Next, if a body transmitting torque T kg meter at the angular speed of theta radians per second, then horsepower transmitted will be. So 186 is D. So T theta by 75. Remember this question, important. 186 is D. 187 is a conical pendulum consisting of a weight W suspended from a cord is made to rotate in a horizontal circle about a vertical axis with a constant angular velocity omega radians per second. Tension in the cord is equal to, as shown in the figure. So 187 is A. So how much this is? A. W by G into L into omega square. So next, 188. So in this figure, weight of 20 kg is suspended at the one end of the cord and force of 30 kg applied at the other end of the cord passing over a pulley. Neglecting weight of the rope and pulley, tension in the cord will be. So they are asking the tension in the cord is how much. So answer is A, 30 kg. Remember. In the above problem, in the figure, okay, 1.8, this question they are asking. Problem 188, the force of 30 kg be replaced by a weight of 30 kg. Then it's not 30 kg. Here first one is this is a 20 kg. This 20 kg is replaced by 30 kg. They are telling by 30 kg. Then the tension in the cord will be. So then the tension in the cord will be how much? 189 is E. Important question. This is E, that is 24 kg. Next, if a body transmitting torque kg meter at n rpm, then horsepower transmitted will be. So 190 question is D. D is the correct answer. 2 pi n t by 75. Remember. Okay. A freight car weighing a 50,000 kg is moving with a velocity of 1 meter per second. When it strikes a bumping post, if the drawbar spring on the car takes all of the compression and the deflection is not to be more than 10 centimeter, then scale of spring should be approximately equal to. So it will be equal to how much? 50 into 10 to the power of 4 kg per centimeter. So this type of questions you remember directly. Next, a brag is pulled by two tugboats as shown in the figure. The resultant of the forces exerted by, so they are asking, exerted by tugboats is 100,000 kg force. What will be the value of the theta? So the tension in the rope will be minimum. So this type of questions whenever they will ask, whenever one angle is 30, the another angle is always in engineering mechanics 60 degrees, then only it will be minimum. If it is 60, then this is 30. So how much angle? 30, 60 degrees is the correct answer. Okay, next 193. Figure shows a load on a frictionless inclined plane of theta. A force F inclined at an angle alpha to horizontal is to be applied to maintain the load in equilibrium. The value of alpha for F to be minimum is, so 193 is that is theta. So alpha should be theta, then only it will be minimum. That is important. If a mass of 20 kg is falling from a height of 1 meter from a rest is brought to rest by a penetrating into a sand by 1 meter, then average resistance offered by the sand is how much? They are asking. Important question. 194 is B, 110 kg. Okay, so you remember like this. This is like a 10, this is 1, so side by side keep 110. They will copy same question. A body weighing 1000 kg falls 8 centimeter and strikes a 500 kg per centimeter spring. The deflection of the spring will be, so 195 is how much? 8 centimeter. Okay, remember this question. Okay, 8 centimeter. Next, 196. An elevator weighing 1000 kg attains an upward velocity of 4 meter per second in 2 seconds with uniform acceleration. The tension in the supporting cables will be, so they are asking the tension in the supporting cable. So this is the C, 1200 kg. So remember, answers are directly they will copy. If in the above problem 196 the tension be reduced so that the elevator comes to rest in the distance of 2 meter, the tension in the cable will be, so this time they are asking when it will be comes to rest at a distance of 2 meter, what is the tension they are asking. So this is the D is the correct answer. So that is the 590. Okay, so this is 590, this is 1200. Next, 198. Which of the following is the unit of energy? So what is the unit of energy? Tell me. Joule, Newton per meter, electron volts, all of the above. So this all of the above is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. A 13-meter ladder is placed against a smooth vertical wall with its lower end 5 meter from the wall. What should be the coefficient of friction between the ladder and floor so that it remains in equilibrium? Very important question. 0.31 is the correct. 21 is the correct answer. Next, 200. The tension in the cable supporting a lift is more when the lift is, so when the lift is moving upward with acceleration. So that is the D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Moving upward with acceleration. If the tension in the cable supporting the lift moving upward is twice the tension when the lift is moving downward, the acceleration of the lift is equal to, so 201. 201 is how much? This is the G by 3, B. Okay, G by 3. When a body slides down an inclined surface, the acceleration F of the body is given by the, so acceleration of the body is given by the G sin theta. F is equal to G sin theta. So this will be, already we know. So this is the G sin theta, and this will be frictional force F. So F is equal to G sin theta. A particle while sliding down a smooth plane of 19.86 under root 2 meter length acquires a velocity of 19.86 meter per second. The inclination of the plane they are asking. So divide this by this 119, so 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means 45 degrees. So this is the B. 203. 204. A man wishes to move a block of size 2 meter into 2 meter, weighing a 100 kg. The coefficient of friction between the block and floor is 0.3. How he can move it with a least effort? So how can he will be move over? Tip it over. So B is the correct answer. The product of mass and velocity is known as, tell me, that is the momentum. Mass into velocity is momentum. For a machine to be self-locking, its efficiency should be self-locking less than 50%. For a self-locking less than 50%. Okay. Efficiency of a screw jaw with a helix angle alpha and coefficient of friction mu is equal to tan alpha by tan of alpha plus pi. Important question. D. 207 is D. 208. Okay, the efficiency of a screw jaw is maximum when its a helix angle alpha is equal to 45 minus pi by 2. Important question. Maximum efficiency of a screw jaw for a angle of friction pi is equal to 1 minus sin pi by 1 plus sin pi. Very important question. 210. The velocity of mass of 5 kg after falling in height of 5 meter from the rest would be approximately equal to how much? 5 meter per second. So same 5. Remember like that. A body whose true weight is 14 grams approaches to weight of 13 grams when weighted by means of a spring balance in a moving lift. What was the acceleration of the lift at that time? So what was the acceleration of the lift at that time? So this is the B. So that is the 0.7 meter per second square. So remember just answer. 0.7, so it will divided by 2, so 14 means 7, it will be like that, you remember. A ball is thrown up, the sum of kinetic and potential energy will be maximum at. So it will be maximum at all points, because whenever potential energy will be maximum, kinetic energy will be minimum. So it will be always constant. Okay, at all points it will be constant, energy is constant. Next, the values of acceleration due to gravity at two places A and B is G1 and G2. The weight of the body when carried from A to B will be multiplied by, so 213 is B, that is G2 by G1. Remember this. Energy is defined as, it's a capacity of doing work. Okay. Next, moment of inertia of a body does not depend upon, okay, it does not depend on, tell me, 215 A, angular velocity of body. 216, power is defined as, power means rate of doing work. So power means always we consider as a time. A jet engine works on a principle of conservation of, tell me, linear momentum or simply momentum, sometime they will write. So linear momentum. A wound watch spring possesses energy stored in the form of, it will be stored is in the form of mechanical potential energy. So 218 is C. 290, work is equal to, so W is equal to force into distance. So this is the C. When a horse pulls a cart, he moves forward by the force, okay, he exerts on the ground. So that is the C is the correct answer. 220 is C. 221, a rubber ball strikes a wall and rebounds. A lead ball of the same mass and velocity strike the same wall and falls down. Which of the following statement is correct? The momentum of the rubber ball, the change in momentum suffered by the lead ball is less than that of a rubber ball. So this is the 221 is C is the correct answer. Okay, important question that one. 222, a ball with will cover maximum distance when it kicked at a set an angle to horizontal. This angle is projection angle 45 degrees. An elastic rod 1 meter long of negligible weight hangs downward from a support. In one case, a load is applied at a rod 20 centimeter below the support, and in other case, the same load is applied at the bottom of the rod. The reaction at the supports in the two cases will be, so it will be same, because so this is the rod, and 20 centimeter below, if you applied here load W or you apply here W, so always reaction at the support is same. Okay, the SI unit of pressure is Pascal. So this is the C. 1 Newton is equal to, very very important, 10 to the power of 5 dynes. 225 is B. 226. The angular velocity of a particle changes from 69 to 71 RPM in 30 seconds. The angular acceleration in revolution per minute. So here 69 to 71 means 2 RPM per 30 seconds. So 2 RPM per 30 seconds means for 1 minute how many? So 4. So this is the angular acceleration is 4. U1, U2 with the velocity of the approach of two moving bodies in the same direction, and their corresponding velocity of the separation are U1 and V1 and V2. Then as per the Newton's law of collision of the elastic bodies, the coefficient of restitution E is equal to, very very important question. So this answer is C. So V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2. Momentum is defined as, tell me, mass into velocity. Which of the following have the same units? So these, all of these are having the same units. The perfect elastic bodies, the value of coefficient of restitution is, so how much? It will be 1. A body moves down a smooth inclined plane, and if the same body is dropped vertically down from the same height as the inclined plane top, then which of the following parameter on reaching the ground will be same? So tell me, 231 is D. So momentum, velocity, kinetic energy, these all will be same. Important. The rate of change of momentum is proportional to, compressed force. So 232 is D. Next, 233. A ball of mass 1 kg is moving with a velocity of 2 meter per second, collides directly on a stationary ball of 2 kg and comes to rest after impact. The velocity of the second ball after impact will be, so 233 is C. So after impact they will move with a half velocity, V by 2. In test first question, so V by 2 means 2 meter per second, 1 meter per second. The unit of momentum are same as of A. So 234 is D, impulse. Okay, before I will mark, you mark your answer, so that it will become a test, like a test for you. Okay, next, 235. 235 is a ball weighing of a W kg strikes a ground at an angle of alpha as shown in figure, defined at angle B, deflected, then the coefficient of restitution will be, so 235 is C. So W into tan alpha by tan beta. So W into tan alpha by tan beta. Next, 235 finish. Next, 236. Impulse is defined as, so impulse is defined as force into time. Force into time is impulse. The mass of two balls are in the ratio of 2:1 and their respective velocities are in the ratio of 1:2, but in the opposite direction before impact. If the coefficient of restitution is 1 by 2, the velocity of the separation of the two balls will be equal to. So tell me, 237 is D. Original velocity in opposite direction. Original velocity is in opposite direction. Remember the options. You will directly copy. 238. The work done by a body in moving down a smooth inclined plane in corresponding to being dropped vertically downwards from a same height will be. So 238 is C, equal. 238 is equal. Okay. A body of 239. A body of mass m moving with a constant velocity v hits another body of same mass at the rest and strikes to it. The velocity of the both together will be equal to. So 239 is 239. 239 is D. So V by 2. So whenever it will strike the stationary ball, then their velocity will become half. Okay, a marble ball is rolled on a smooth floor of room to hit a wall. If the time taken by the ball in returning to the point of projection is twice the time taken in the reaching the wall, the coefficient of restitution between the ball and wall is, so 240. 240 is B, 0.5. 0.5. The rate of change of momentum takes place in the direction. So 241 is B, of applied force. It will take in the direction of applied force. If the momentum of a given body is doubled, its kinetic energy will. So if it is momentum is doubled, its kinetic energy will be increased by 4 times. Increase it by 4 times. Next, if a ball which is dropped from a height of 2.25 meter on a smooth floor attains the height of the bounce equal to 1 meter, the coefficient of restitution between the ball and floor is equal to. So 243 is C. Important question this one also, 0.67. Next, 244. A ball moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second impinges on a fixed plane at an angle of 45 degrees. Its direction after impact is equally inclined to the line of impact. If a coefficient of restitution is 0.5, the velocity of the ball after impact will be. So they are asking the velocity of ball after impact. So this is the C is the correct answer, 2.5 meter per second. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A rubber ball when striking a wall rebounds, but a lead ball of same mass and velocity when strike the wall falls down. So this is because, tell me, 245 already we did this question. This is the B is the correct answer. The change in momentum suffered by the lead ball is less than the rubber ball. 246. Two pieces of steel and brass weighing 2 kg and 1 kg falls freely under the action of the gravity from a tower. After a distance, the following will be identical. So 246 is A, that is acceleration will be identical. If a solid and a hollow sphere of the same mass are allowed to roll down an inclined plane simultaneously, then what will be there? 247 is A. Solid sphere will reach the ground first. So because of the less resistive force. If a light and a heavy body have the equal kinetic energy of translation, then 248 is a lighter body will have the smaller momentum. Smaller momentum, because momentum is force into velocity. So light body will have the smaller momentum. 249. Pick up the correct statement from the following. So 249 is how much? C. C is the correct answer. The kinetic energy of body. The kinetic energy, C is the correct answer. The kinetic energy of the body before impact is more than that after impact. So that is the 249 is correct statement. Next, 250. Periodic time of a particle moving with a simple harmonic motion is the time taken by the particle for. So 250 is C. 250 is C. Complete oscillation. 251. If a particle moves in a circle of radius r with a velocity v, then its acceleration towards the center is equals to 251 is c, v square into r. So acceleration is equal to v square into r. So 251 equal to c. Next 251, 252. Next 252. If the value of acceleration due to gravity at the poles as compared to equator, at poles it will be greater, important. Okay, the acceleration is higher at the poles. Periodic time of a body moving with a simple harmonic motion is 253 is d, inversely proportional to angular velocity. Angular velocity, because t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Okay, this is angular velocity. If a particle moves along with a circumference of a circle of radius r with a uniform angular velocity omega radians per second, the equation for the velocity of the particle is given by 254 is c. 254 is c. V is equal to omega into r square minus y square. 255. Pick up an incorrect statement from the following in a simple harmonic motion. So 255 is c. The acceleration is minimum at the end of stroke. The acceleration is minimum at the end of the stroke. So 255 is c. 256. For a particle moving with a simple harmonic motion, the frequency is 256 is b, inversely proportional to periodic time. So f is equal to 1 by t, that one you know. If a simple harmonic motion, acceleration of a particle is proportional to 257 is b, velocity. So acceleration is v square into r, just now we did. 258. The force which produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a mass of 1 kg is known as 258. So tell me, easy question. 258 is c, Newton, because kg hyphen meter acceleration. So force into fa, mass into acceleration is force. So mass is given 1 kg and acceleration is given. So this is the force. So Newton is that result. A joule is equals to, important question, 259 is b, 10 to the power of 7 ergs. Erg is the CGI unit. The joule is the unit of work. Okay, joule is the unit of work. Power, energy also here correct, but these options are wrong. Then in this case, a body of mass m falling freely under the action of gravity has following weight. So 261 is E, 0. Okay, falling freely, whenever this type of questions will come, and so that weight will be 0. Okay, next, which one is a unit of time? So which one is a unit of time? 262. So 262 is c, light year. Light year is the unit of time. The principle of conservation of energy cannot be applied in the following case. So 263 is a, body sliding down a rough inclined plane. In this case, the principle of conservation of energy cannot be applied. A body of mass m moving with a constant velocity v hits another body of same mass moving with the same velocity v but in opposite direction and strikes to it. Then the velocity of the compound body after the collision is, so 264 is a, that is 0. 264 is a, 0. 265. A body is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 980 centimeter per second. When the time the body will take to reach the ground will be, so 265 is b, that is 2 seconds. How much? 2 seconds. 266. A body is thrown vertically upward from a ground with a speed of this much. It will rise to a height of so 266 is B. So 490 centimeter, because 490 centimeter up and down is 490, so total 980. A body striking with a initial velocity 0 moves in a straight line as per law S is equal to 2t cube minus t square minus 2. Okay, the acceleration of particle after 1 second will be they are asking. So first you derive ds by dt. So velocity is equal to, you get first v is equal to ds by dt. Once you do it, this differentiation, then whatever result you get, that one dv by dt you do it, then whatever result you get, in that you substitute t equal to 1. So whatever answer you will get, that is our answer. So 267 is C. 267 is C. That is the 10 meter per second square. A stone falls from a top of building 200 meter height, and at the same time another is projected vertically upward with a velocity of 50 meter per second. Then two will meet. So then when, at what time they will meet? So C, that is after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds. A ball is dropped vertically downward from the top of building, and another one is thrown horizontally. Which will strike ground first? So which will strike ground first? 269 is C. 269 is C. Both will strike simultaneously. So 269, 270. Next. A rubber ball is dropped from a height of 2 meters. To what height will it rise if there is no loss of velocity after a rebound? So after there is no loss, then it will be rebound to the same height. So that it is a 2 meter. Okay. A 6 meter long rope of weight 0.5 kg is hanging from a support. The work done in lifting up the rope up to the support point will be. So 271 is, what is the answer? That is the 18 kg meter. Up to that it will be support. After that it will be break. A boatman rowing his boat at a normal speed takes 12 minutes to cover 2 kilometers distance downstream. While rowing upstream at a same speed, he takes 20 minutes to cover the same distance. The normal speed of the boat is. Okay, so it means they are asking the boat speed. So 272 is how much the answer? So you solve 270, so you will get D. That is the 8 km per hour. A car is moving with a velocity of 60 meters per hour and the possesses energy of 5 into 10 to the power 5 joules. The mass of the car will be. So they are asking mass of the car. So 273 is A. So 3000 kg. Okay. A stone is whirled in a vertical circle. The tension in the string is greatest when the stone is. So 274 is A, is in the lowest position. Whenever stone is at lowest position, so it is moving like this. You are moving. This is here your hand. So whenever it will become down, that time it will be maximum. So the weight of a object would be minimum when it is placed. So 275 is D. 275 is D, at the center of the earth. Okay. A 10 centimeter diameter wheel is rotating at 420 rpm. Its angular speed in radian per second is equals to. So 276 is C. That is 44. Centripetal force is given by. So 277 is C. mv square by r. centripetal force. This is the centripetal force. Next, a stone tied to the end of the 20 centimeter long string is wheeled in a horizontal circuit with a constant angular speed. If the centripetal acceleration is 90 centimeter per second square, the angular speed will be, they are asking, so 278. 78 is D, that is 7 radians per second. A stone is whirled in a vertical circle, the tension in the string is greatest, so 279. 279 is C, when the stone is at the lowest position. So this question already we did, same question. The apparent weight of a man in moving lift is less than his real weight when he is going down with so 280 is B, with an acceleration. So this is the B. 281. A partially filled tank is being carried on a truck moving with a constant acceleration. The water level of a free tank in tank. Okay, so 281 is D. It is move up in a back and move down in front. So whenever truck, this is the truck moving in this direction, then actually move up in back and move down in front. So actually while you going, water will be like this, it will be go. Okay, when a body falls freely under gravitational force, it poses, so I told you freely, falls freely, so no weight. So 282 is C. Next, 283. The first law of motion provides the definition of force. When the spring of watch is wound, it poses there. So which it will poses? 284 C. That is potential energy or mechanical potential energy. A body is moving with a constant speed of 10 meter per second in a circle of a radius 10 centimeter. Then its angular acceleration will be, so 285 is A, that is 0. So here constant speed they are asking. Whenever speed is constant, acceleration is 0. A jet engine works on the principle of, so it will works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. B. This question also we did. Which of the following remains constant during a flight of a projectile? So 287 is B, that is the horizontal component of velocity. B is the correct answer. B. 288. 288. A body is thrown up at an angle of 45 degrees with a velocity of 100 meter per second so as to describe a parabola. Its velocity on a point of return down will be, so 288. So at that point what will become? Its velocity will be 288 is D. This is 100 by root 2 meter per second. 288 is D. 289. Next, the escape velocity in the relation to the orbital velocity is, so 289 is B, root 2 times. Important. The velocity of satellite in order that it remains in a particular orbit depends upon, so 290 is C. Distance of satellite from the center of the earth. 290 is C. 291. A satellite is kept on moving in its orbit around the earth due to, 291 is B, centripetal force. Centripetal force means towards the center, centrifugal force means away from the center. What will happen to the time period of a simple pendulum bob when it is made to oscillate in water? So 292. So it is C. Time period will increase because in water it will be move very slowly, so time will be more. An object weighs 60 grams in air, 50 grams in water and 40 grams in air. The specific gravity of the oil will be. So you solve this question. 293, how much you get? D. Okay, remember, a projectile fired at 45 degrees attains a maximum height of 40 meter. Its range will be. So its range they are asking. So 294 is D. So that is the 160 meter. 160 meter. Which of the following pair of the physical quantities have the identical dimension? Identical dimension. So 295 is D. So these all of these have the identical dimension. Next, 296. The order of the magnitude of gravitational constant in the MKS systems is. So 296 is A. So 10 to the power of minus 11. Next, 297. The moment of inertia does not depends upon. So moment of inertia does not depends upon. So 297 is a angular velocity of the body. This already we solved in this question. Next. Okay. A circular disc rolls down an inclined plane. The fraction of its total energy associated with the rotation is with its rotation is. So 298 is B. So that is the 1/3. The kinetic energy of body rotating with an angular velocity omega depends upon. It depends upon D, the distance of distribution of mass and angular speed. The moment of inertia of a rectangular lamina of mass m and length L and breadth B and its axis perpendicular to the plane and passing through its center of gravity is given by m into L square plus B square by 12. So this one remember. The velocity of satellite in the orbit close to Earth's surface depends upon. So it's a depend upon C. Product of radius and acceleration due to gravity. So C is the correct answer. Next, the force keeping the plane in a regular orbit is. So 302 is C. Gravitational force, which is gravitational force. 303. A thief stole a box full of jewelry of a WKG and while carrying it on his head jumped down from a third story of building. Before he reaches the ground, he experiences a load of. So how much load he will experience? So 303 is A, because freely he was falling, so no load is, so 0. The escape velocity of a body on earth. So how much escape velocity on body is on earth remains unchanged with a variation of mass. Whatever mass, the escape velocity will be constant. Next, 305. A simple pendulum is set into oscillation. The bob of the pendulum comes to rest after some time due to what? Friction of air. So this is the A is the correct answer. The amplitude of vibrating body situated in a resisting medium. So that is the decreases exponentially with time. So this is the A is the correct answer. A simple pendulum is vibrated in an evacuated chamber. It will oscillate forever with the same amplitude and frequency. So this is the A is the correct statement. Next, swinging pendulum eventually stops because its energy is converted to heat energy. 309. The length of a second pendulum on a surface of the earth is 1 meter. The length of second pendulum on the surface of a moon, where G is 1/6 of the value, the G on the surface of the earth is 1/6 meters. Next, the energy of a damped oscillator. Is decreases exponentially with time. Okay. A tunnel is dug through a earth from a one end to the opposite end along a diameter, and a particle is dropped at one end of a tunnel. The particle will, so 311 is B. That is execute a simple harmonic motion about the earth of center of the earth. The type of motion when the acceleration is proportional to the displacement is called. So 312 is D. 312 is D. Simple harmonic. 313. The acceleration of vibrating party while executing a simple harmonic motion increases. It's a time period. So 313. 313 is C. Remains unchanged. Okay. Time period will remains unchanged. A small metal ball is tied to a light string and is suspended inside a lift. The ball is set to oscillate. The period of oscillation is maximum when the lift is T, moving downward with acceleration. Okay. Next 315. A period of simple harmonic vertical oscillation of a loaded light spring. So 315 is B. Increases with increase in. So 350 is B. Increases with increase in attached to the spring. So this is the correct statement. 316. A boy is swinging on a swing. If another boy sits along with him without distributing his motion, then the time period of swing will be remains the same. Okay. Next. The projectile of a fired at an angle alpha, the horizontal with a initial velocity, the time of flight they are asking. So time of flight is 317 A, 2u sin alpha by G. This is the time of flight, important. Horizontal range of a projectile fired with the initial velocity u at angle alpha to the horizontal is equals to. So 318 is A. That is u square sin 2 alpha by G. This is the range. The range of projectile is maximum and the angle of projection is, that one 45 degrees. Time of flight of a projectile fired with a velocity u at an angle of alpha with a horizontal on an upward inclined plane of beta with a horizontal is equals to. So this is the 320 question. So how much the answer? 320 is A. 2u sin alpha minus beta by G into cos beta. So remember 321. The range of projection in above cases. So they are asking range, this time. So 321 is, that is B. 2u square sin alpha minus beta into G into cos alpha by G into cos square beta. Okay. The direction of projectile for a range to be maximum on an inclined plane of 30 degrees to the horizontal should be. So 322 is E. That is none of this above. So this is the no the above. Which of the following is not a scalar quantity? So which of the following is not a scalar quantity? Amount of 323, that is the C. So weight of body is not a scalar quantity, is a vector quantity. Which of the following is an example of body undergoing a translational equilibrium? That is a body at rest on a table is in translational equilibrium. So 324 is A. 325. The frequency of vibrating string is. So 325 is E is inversely proportional to the square root of the mass parameter of its of unit length. When the two systems are in a resonance, then the following parameter of the both is equal. So which one is equal? Frequency will be equal. If a system in equilibrium consists of 6 equal concurrent coplanar forces, each force acting in a different direction, then the angle between any pair of forces will be, so any pair of forces will be 60, because 6 forces, so 6 360 by 6, so equally direction, so this will be 60. Okay, choose the correct statement. So 328, choose the correct statement, that is B. No work get down on it when it is moved with a constant speed along a circle. So this is the correct statement. So 320 is B. 328. 328 is B. 329. A bucket of water weighing a 10 kg is pulled up from a well 20 meters deep by a rope weighing 1 kg per meter length. Then the work done is B, 400 kg/meter. Important question. A ship will sink if it does not displace water equal to its own. So 330 is D, its own weight. If the momentum of a given particle is doubled, then its kinetic energy will C, be quadrupled. So then its kinetic energy will be quadrupled. So that is 331 C. 332. The atmosphere of a earth is retained due to the mean speed of the molecule being much less than the escape velocity. Next, 333. If two bodies, one light and the other heavy, have the equal kinetic energy, which of the following is greater momentum? So which of the following is greater momentum? The heavy bodies have the greater momentum. The sum of kinetic and potential energy of a falling body is constant at all points. So 334 is here. 335. 100 kg weight falls 10 cm on a 10 kg centimeter spring. The spring will deflected by. So 335 is P, 5 cm. So 5 cm it will deflect. Two railway wagons of the masses 12 and 10 tons moving in a same direction at a speed of 3 meter per second and 5 meter per second respectively collide and then move together. Their common speed is given by 336 is A, that is the 3.91 meter per second. 3.91 meter per second. Next 337. A glass marble dropped from a height of 3 meter upon a horizontal floor. If the coefficient of restitution is 0.9, find the height to which it rises after impact. So 337 is A, that is 2.43 meters. A body is fired from a point P and strikes at Q inside a smooth circular wall as shown in the figure. It rebounds to point S. Coefficient of restitution will be. So how much coefficient of restitution? 338 is E, that is the tan square. Important. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum depends on. It will depends on 339 is D, its effective length. 339 is D, its effective length. 340. A body is vibrate at 10 vibration per second in a simple harmonic motion of 10 centimeter amplitude. The maximum velocity in centimeter per second will be. So 340 is C, that is 200. Right? So 340 is C. Next, 241. Three perfectly elastic and similar balls are lying on a floor. When one is struck with a velocity v, it strikes second and onward third. What will be the resultant velocity at the end? So 441 is C, that is the v by 3. Next, in order to double the period of a simple pendulum, what we have to do? 442, 342 is D. Its length should be quadrupled. Its length should be quadrupled because T is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G. If this will be 4 pi 4L, then in the root it will become 2 will become outside, then it will be double. That's why quadrupled. The period of vibration of pendulum is least at sea level where the latitude is, that is the D, where the latitude is 90 degrees. A body executing simple harmonic motion while passing through a mean position will have kinetic and potential energy as follows. So how much that is? 344 is maximum and minimum. Okay. In a second pendulum, the pendulum executes. So 345 is 1 beat per second. Next, in case of a simple pendulum, the period of one oscillation is given by. So that's how much it will be given by. 346 is C. That is the 2 pi into under root of L by G. That is time period. In case of simple harmonic motion, the period of oscillation is given by T is equal to 2 pi by omega. That one you know. In simple harmonic motion, the acceleration is proportional to. Okay. So 348 is A. That is the displacement. Next, 349. In simple harmonic motion, we have conservation of total energy. The motion of a particle executing simple harmonic motion from one extremity to other constitution. So what will become? 350 is D, half an oscillation from point 1 to point 2. So this is will be the, it has to go and come back, then it is one oscillation, but it will be go from one point to another point, means that is half only. Next, 351. Which of the following law is not applicable for the simple pendulum? So 351 is B. The time period is proportional to its length. This is not applicable. The value of acceleration due to gravity at the moon is G by 6, where G is the value of acceleration due to gravity at Earth. The value of frequency of oscillation of a simple pendulum on moon as compared to Earth will be. So 352 is E, that is 1 by root 6 times. A body in simple harmonic motion will have maximum velocity when its amplitude is 0. Then it will have the maximum velocity. The length of second pendulum is, so this one also important, this is 99.4. So 354 is B. Next, 355. Okay. A clock with a second pendulum is gaining 3 minutes a day. To make it to be correct, so what we have to do? 355 is length of pendulum should be increased. Next, if a G is the gauge of a track, V is the velocity of the moving vehicle, G is the acceleration due to gravity, and R is the radius of a circular path, the amount of super elevation required to the outer rail is, so 356 is D, that is G into V square by G into R. Important question. The differential wheel and axial system consist of, so what it will be consist of? It consists of one bigger diameter wheel and the two axles of different diameter. Okay. D and capital D and small d1 will be the diameters of two axes. The velocity ratio is asking, so that will be, that is 2 capital D by d1 minus d2. In a planetary motion, following parameter remains constant. So what will be remains constant? That is d, total angular momentum. Total angular momentum. The escape velocity of the surface of the earth is 11.2 km per second. That is 360 is D. Next, 361. The vehicle moving on a level circular path will exert a pressure such that. So 361 is B. The reaction on the inner wheel will be more. This is important. Okay. The reaction on the inner wheel will be more in the circular motion. Okay, vehicle. Okay, next 362. The maximum efficiency of a screw job with a square threads and a friction angle of 30 degrees will be. So 362 is C. That is the 33%. And so that is the maximum efficiency with this 30 degrees angle. Emission is said to be irreversible if its efficiency is, that is less than 50%. 263 is less than 50%. Next, if L be the span of the length suspension bridge whose each cable carries a total weight W and the central dip is Y, the horizontal pull at the each reaction is. So 364 is B. WL by 8Y. Next, pick up the incorrect statement from the following. In case of a suspension bridge, if there is a rise in temperature, then what will happen? So 365 is C. The tip of the cable will decrease. Rise in temperature, 365 is C. The value of gravitational constant G is equals to. So 366 is A. Gm by R. If the speed of rotation of a earth decreases, the weight of the body will increases. Next, two cars are 10 km apart and moving in the same direction at the speed of 40 km per hour. A car moving in the opposite direction meets these cars at interval of 8 minutes. At what speed the other car is moving? That is moving with 35 km per hour. Just remember the answers. No need to solve. Next, 370. So 370, this is the diagram was given. So what is the, if the rod is in equilibrium, the horizontal configuration, then they are asking this question. So 370 is, what is the answer? 370 is D. W1 is equal to W by root 2. So this question also you can solve by Lam's theorem. 371. So in this question, what is the answer? A uniform boom ABC in the figure pinned at A is held by a cable BC in the position shown. If the tension in the cable is 200 kgf, then the weight of the boom and the reaction of the pin at A on the boom are respectively. So 371, by seeing question only you have to get the answer. So 371 is D. So that is how much? 400 kgf, 200 root 2, root 3 and 60. So this one already I told you. So 60 means this should be 30. How much? This should be 30. Engineering mechanics, I told you now. So 372 is 30 degrees. 373. This question is asked in once in GATE exam. 373 is C. root 3 W. So this question is what? A roller of weight W is rolled over the wooden block shown in the figure. The pull F is required to just cause the said motion is. That is how much? Root 3 W. A given figure, the acceleration of the two bodies is equals to. So they are asking acceleration. So how much the answer? Acceleration 274 is A. m1 into g by m1 plus m2 meter per second square. Next, 275. A ball is projected vertically upward with a certain velocity. It takes 40 seconds for its upward journey. The time taken for its downward journey is, so 375 is 40 seconds. So upward journey, how much it will take? That much only it will take for downward journey. Two parallel forces acting on a body moving with a uniform velocity. So this one will, what it will make? So it will make forces in equilibrium, a moving particle, kinetic energy, two coplanar parallel forces equal in magnitude but opposite in direction coupled, two unequal forces acting on a body causes acceleration. So this all is what? C is the correct answer. Next, a string of stiffness 1000 Newton per metric is stretched initially by 10 centimeter from the undeformed position. The work required to stretch it by another 10 centimeter is, so 377. 377 is D. That is the 15 Newton upon meter. So with this all engineering mechanics, RS Kurmi and Archegian questions in 4 parts I finished. So all the best for your exams. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.